You know what I'm saying? Like, I can really like. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you couldn't tell by the title of this video, this is going to be another wig video. A wig video. Wig video. A wig video. The wig is actually from a company I've already reviewed before, and I liked the clip-ins from this brand, so I decided that I wanted to try like the wig option because that is more so what I do on a regular basis for protective styles. So it is by CurlsCurls, and this is what the wig box looks like. Let's just go ahead and take it out. And so this is what it looks like straight out of the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace and cut it from the bottom and the top and come back and show you guys how I put it on. What? That's why your hair is flat on your head in the back.
This is a 7-day-old wash and go.
Look how flat it is. Turn this way. Turn your head back. Okay, so these are the final results. This is what it looks like after it is dry. So I wanted to give you guys an up close look at it. because what's really good about this unit is, of course, I laid down the front, and this will give you a better look at the parting. Just keep in mind that I used a little bit of concealer, but all this up here like is literally curled from roots to ends. It's one uniform curl pattern, which is really important to me for it to look natural. As far as the actual curl pattern goes, and I'll turn around for you guys to see it in the back. Very natural, very realistic, very much so like it could be my real hair. Obviously, I feel like anybody who was looking at this would know it wasn't my hair just because of the length. Obviously, my hair is a lot longer than this, and even with shrinkage, my hair just sits a little bit lower. I feel like this kind of has like a diva cut shape to it, which I do kind of have one that I cut myself, but it's growing out. But you know, if you are newer to my channel, or maybe thought like, oh, did she cut her hair, like maybe this would, you know, fool you. So as far as like fooling somebody, I don't know, but this absolutely definitely is a really natural, like really pretty unit. So that's it for this video, guys. Of course, I will leave all the specs on this unit in the description box, where you can get it, everything on the unit, as well as what I used. I only used one product, so I will put all that in the DB. If this was your first time visiting my channel, hopefully you're subscribed by now. Subscribe to my channel, become my cousin, turn your notifications on. Everybody else, like and comment, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.